First thing is, after installation of MySQL, what is the first thing you need to do, Srihari? You configure MySQL, you install and configure. Now, what is the next step? Srihari?
Open MySQL and make table.
Then directly can create table. Know the procedures.
We have to make account or something like that.
Make account.
Password and all that.
Okay, that is all. Then
Create the database.
create a database. That is the first thing. Well, you create a database, so then you can create some space in the hard disk. Then after creating the database, what is the next step? Idea?
Create table.
No. In between? What intermediate step is there after creating the database? Here.
I don't know.
Very good answer. Adul?
Use database.
Use database. Only then you can create the table inside the database. That is very important. Okay. So next statement should be use database. After writing these two statements, if you want to view the different databases created in MySQL, what is the command? Manual, do you remember? No. Wonderful. Adityaj?
Ma'am, show database.
Show databases. Okay, the command is show databases. If you want to view the different tables in a particular database, what is the command? Emmanuel, do you remember?
Select.
Show databases command is used to display the different databases. So what can be the command for displaying tables?
Select the
Question is, this view the different tables inside a particular database. Show tables.
don't know.
That's what I told you. Show tables. That is a command. So I'm showing the screen. So show databases in order to view the different databases in MySQL. And show tables command is used to view the different tables created in a particular database. Then we have how to create a database. The creating database command is create database, create space, database, space, the database. So write down. So show databases. Explanation you write by yourself. Show tables. And one particular common thing you can see, that is semicolon. Semicolon is required in all the cases. It should, each and every sentence, query in MySQL should terminate with a semicolon. Since it's just revision of the previous last year's topic, that is why directly example is given. There is no general format is given. This already you have studied. So to create a table, you need to use this particular statement. And Srihari, if I want to create a database company, what is the statement you need to use?
Create database company.
And it's very important, you need to leave space between create space database space semicolon. Semicolon is also important. If you want to delete a database, the command is drop space database space the database. If you want to drop a table, also the same type of command, drop space table space table. So the main problem was usually you forget this particular statement. If the question is asked by the board, delete a database ABC. So you will have a tendency to write the answer as drop ABC. So that is not the answer. If you are deleting a database, you need to write the keyword database. If you are deleting a table, you need to write the word table. Okay? I think Manuel's book pages are over. So, okay. Next statement is, after creating a database, you want to work in a particular database, you need to write the statement as use MySQL. So here there is no keyword called database. Okay? It's not, the answer is not use database MySQL. Wrong. Only use directly the table name you need to write. Clear? Then creating a table, the next statement, create space table space table student, open parenthesis, very important, column name. It's not clear, Gauri?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now, okay. Create table, example, student, open parenthesis. So you can expect a question in board examination. Create the table given here. The values will be given sometimes the column with the data type will be given. So 1 mark is. Why late, actually? So I'll be giving you 3 questions. So you do it by yourself. The first question is, hope you can see this particular table. The table name is student. Only 2 columns, S underscore ID, S underscore name. Values are given. You have to decide the data type of both the columns. Here, no need to worry about the primary key. I will do later with constraints. Just create the table. Atul, are you creating directly in MySQL?
Yes, ma'am.
Very good. So once it is over, you can share the screen and you can show that. Don't miss out the semicolon brackets. If you open a parenthesis, you need to close it. So this S underscore name you can write as char or varchar. And there also you need to specify size. Is it over, Arjun?
No, ma'am.
Only two fields, two columns. Let it be a right or wrong. It's completed. Alvin, Aryan, is it over?
Ma'am, I'm downloading MySQL in my device.
I'll do later. Now you write in your book the commands. Atul, you can share the screen. No, insertion is also. Okay, so the it's correct. So just check with your answer that you have written. Create space table space student s underscore id space int comma s underscore name. You can use char or varchar. Both will work. Hope it is clear. Open a bracket, 20 size, close the bracket, then the other bracket is for creatable student, closing bracket. Clear? Arjun? Now you can stop the share screen. Okay. So another question. Yes. Table name is employee. The different fields are employee, NO, name, salary, COMM, join date. Emmanuel, hello. Write down the create table command. The last column in data type should be date. Here you don't have to worry about the date format. You just write it as date. Srihari, Aryan. Aryan, are you there? Srihari, is it all?
Now I'm inserting the values.
No, no need, no need. Only create table command you need to write. That is all?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So you have done in MySQL.
No, ma'am, I wrote in there.
Okay, you can show it. Just a moment. Yeah, again. Employees. Huh? Is it employees or employee? I gave you the question as. Okay, anyways, one second. Last, move to right. Yes. Join date, date. Very good. It's correct. So hope it is clear to you. So you don't have to do it again. The create table command. Yes or no? Clear? Okay. Now let's move on to the next command. That is describe. So once you create the table, if you want to view the structure of the table, you need to use a command describe space the table name, or you can use DESC. Either DESC or you can use describe. Okay, and don't get confused with this DESC and the order by DESC. One more command is there. Here the command is Krishnandan. Here the command is
DSC.
DESC or
Describe.
okay. Then this is the command for inserting values. Insert into table name values. If you are using this method, then you need to insert the values for all the columns. If you have the value as a string or date, then you need to enclose it in single quotes or double quotes. Clear, Emmanuel? Emmanuel, when to use the quotes? When to use quotes? Single quotes or double quotes? When to use?
When
When
capital when capital letters or no, we have to
in which word you are? Huh?
I'm here, ma'am.
You are here, physically here, I know. Enter the values. You can use insert statement, can enter the values. And as Emmanuel, you need to show me the answer. Emmanuel. Write the answer and show me, Emmanuel. Is it over, Emmanuel?
What did you ask?
You have to insert the values into this table. Value was given 101 quote 2010, then the join date. So join date, when you write another way. That is year first, then month second, then date. And Abdul, when you try to enter the other way, in this way, it is allowed you to enter. How did you enter, Atul?
I didn't get you, ma'am.
Did you enter the value of this first row in MySQL?
Yes, ma'am.
So how did you enter the join date?
Ma'am, I use the date format in single quotes.
Date format means this format or
No, ma'am, the other format.
other format? Okay. You try to enter one value or one more row with this format. 10, OCT, 11, or 21. The other way. Date, month, and year. Where were you, Ashwin?
Ma'am, I had some guests come over.
Oh, So here the question is, Ashwin, the question is, you have to insert the values into this table.
Ma'am, it's showing error, ma'am.
Showing error. What is the error message?
Incorrect date value.
So that means MySQL does not support this format. It supports only year, month, and date. So just keep it in your mind, this thing. So, but in many other RDBMS softwares like Oracle, many softwares are, they support date format in this way, but MySQL does not support. This is a table from Oracle using Oracle database management system. That's why the data is given in this. Manual, enter the first row.
No, ma'am.
Okay, by the way, I can ask Dia, have you entered the first row?
Yes, ma'am.
Show me, show us. What bracket is that? You should not use square bracket. It's round bracket is parenthesis. Then date should be enclosed in quotes. Date should be enclosed in quotes. And your date format is wrong. Date format you change into year, month, day. Okay? All right, Dia?
Yes, ma'am.
So one more. Emmanuel, is that over?
Give me 1 minute to share screen. Share screen. You know.
You can show
Other
directly.
devices.
No? It's not over yet. Busy writing. Busy writing. So Aditraj, we'll catch you later, Emmanuel. Aditraj. Okay. Date should be enclosed. Insert into employee values. Okay. Very good. It's correct. Yes. So that is how you need to write the answers for the query. Okay. Is that clear? Is that clear? No response. Is that clear, Emmanuel? Yes, Emmanuel. Once again. Date. Show me the second one. Second column. Only one row you entered. Okay. No, your date format is wrong, I guess. Date format. It's correct. Year, month, day. Year, month, day. 11, 10. Okay. Day format. So you need to follow year, month, day. Okay. The next one is, I have sent you the question and important topics of the first chapter. Have you got it? How many of you opened it? Srihari and Arjun, turn on your video. How many of you opened it? And be honest. Krishnendran? Yes, smiling. I understood. Dia?
No, ma'am.
I understood. From your expression, facial expression. Dia?
I open networking.
That's what.
This one.
Have you found many terms and all? Important terms?
I just went to.
Just opened it and closed it. Okay. Adul?
Not really, ma'am.
I thought by turning off the video, you were just opening it. Okay. Arjun? Srihari? Opening. Huh? Opening. So just open it and go through the questions. Okay. So after this particular chapter, I will send you the similar way, another, with important terms and questions. Okay. So the next topic is, of course, is the scalar queries. And this scalar queries, these are very, only summaries given in each and every one, every topic. So you have you got the textbooks? 11 textbooks, computer science. Sorry, 12 textbooks. Have you got? Hello, have you got the books?
No, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
What
No
topic?
answer. Yes. So you have the all these things you can see in that Sumita Arora's textbook, right? All these topics which we covered last year, you can see in your 12th textbook. As the first chapter as database concept, then DBM as SQL topics are given. So here only the summary is given. If you need more explanation, you can go through you can take your textbook and you can study it, or you can go through the PDF that I have sent to you last year, the SQL PDFs. Okay. The first thing is how to retrieve all the rows. The command is select star from student. Okay, that's a very simple thing, right? Then if you have a condition, then you need to use a clause where, W-H-E-R-E, where the condition should be given. If you have more conditions, you need to specify and or you can use any operators. And yes, let me sit down. Okay, no problem. Okay. See, where class is equal to 4, that is one condition. And if you want to retrieve more columns, specifically the different columns, then you need to write in the select query. Select first name, comma, class from student. And the new thing you're going to study is update command. What is it? Update. So update command is used to update the values. Okay. And when you use this update command, you need to use a keyword set. Okay. So here the example is update student set class is equal to 5. That is, this is the new value that you are setting. What is the condition? Where first name is equal to Freya. So when this particular query is given to MySQL, what it will check? It will check the where condition first. What is the where condition given? Emmanuel?
Class equal to 4.
Where condition? Where condition? What is the where condition? First name is equal to Freya, isn't it? That particular record it will fetch first. Is that clear? Where first name is equal to Freya. That particular record it will fetch. Then what is the update condition is given? Set class equal to 5. So it was 4. Now it will be changed to 5. Okay. In that particular place, it will set it to 5. Is that clear?
Yes, yes.
Okay. So one question for you, another question. Um, the same table. The question is, change current commission to 35. Change current commission to 35. Change current commission to 35. Krishna Chandran, you can show me the answer after doing it.
Ma'am, to which value? Ma'am, which value should we change? Salary rate?
35.
Okay.
I will ask each and everyone because you should be thorough with the update query. Ready, Krishandran?
1 minute. Ma'am.
By the time one more query you can write. Increase the salary of the company plan to give an increment. So increase the salary of all the employees by 10%. That also you write down. Increase the salary of all the employees by 10%. 10% increment and update the salary. Vishnandan, first query is all, first updation is all. Update employee set COMM is equal to 35. Okay, where can't see this, where first name is equal to current. If you write this query, 1 mark question, you will get only half mark. You show it once again. You will get only half mark because there is no space between first and space name. That is one mistake. The second mistake is you forgot semicolon. Okay, correct it. Everyone correct the mistake. If you have any mistake, you correct it. Achal, what about the second query? Finished?
No, ma'am, I cannot see the shared screen.
Share screen is not required for the. Now, can you see? You are just a moment. Okay. Table name is employees. So it was my mistake. It was employees. Then the question is update the salary of all the employees by 10%. Update.
Ma'am, what was the question?
Update the salary of all employees by 10%.
Update salary.
Update. After update, what is the next thing you need to write? Update what? Update. Table name.
Yeah, ma'am, what was the name of the table?
Employee.
Employee, right? Okay.
Employees.
Update employees where salary.
Set.
Ma'am, actually, I was not there for 45 minutes.
Okay, no problem. Atul, I think you have done it.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, let's share the screen. So what is the answer? Update employee. He has written employee as employee. Set salary is equal to new salary, isn't it? Salary is equal to salary plus. That means the old salary plus. Either you write 0.1 into salary, or you need to write salary into 10 divided by 100. That will also work. Okay, that's clear. Either you write salary into 10 divided by 100, that is the 10%, or you can write in this way: salary is equal to salary plus 0.1 into salary. So you can see the new salary, new updated salary. It was 2000, now it changed to 2200. It was 3000. There is no condition. There is no condition because I have told you to update the salaries of all the employees by 10%. If some condition is given, you can use that condition. You can stop the share screen. So we'll do few more examples of update query in the next class with different conditions. Then only you will be thorough with the question. Okay, this topic. Okay. So we'll see you in the next class. Thank you. Bye-bye.
Thank you, ma'am.